Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by recording a real custom greeting because that is the only reliable way to change your iPhone voicemail voice. Open the phone app and tap voicemail. Once there, select greeting. Choose custom, then press record and speak clearly about who you are and any instructions. You're doing this because carriers deliver voicemail audio. Recording replaces the default system message with your own voice. Once done, listen back immediately so you can re-record if tone, volume, or wording need adjustment. Once you want a cleaner or edited voice, use voice memos to craft the line you like. Record and edit there until it's tight. Then play that memo aloud on speaker while you record the greeting in the phone app. This is the practical import workaround because iOS won't let you directly upload files to voicemail. Make sure phone volume and room noise are controlled. Position the speaker and mic at consistent distance for even levels. If wording or pacing feels off, re-record the memo and repeat. You finish by tapping save after you're satisfied with the playback. That commits your recorded voice as the active greeting. If the voicemail tab or greeting option is missing, make sure visual voicemail is supported by your carrier and that data or Wi-Fi is active. As a next step, try resetting network settings in Settings right arrow General right arrow Transfer or Reset iPhone right arrow Reset to refresh carrier features. If problems persist, contact your carrier because voicemail.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.